Hi everyone, welcome to week 9. Good news, you're more than halfway done with the semester. You're doing a great job. You're plugging along, you're starting to get into the rhythm, kind of know what's expected, getting a little bit of a schedule. You're rocking it, you're doing great. One step closer to being done. Little bitty baby steps, every day's a little closer. Keep up the good work. So week 9, let's jump into 673 and see what's coming up this week. This week we're studying respiratory dysfunction. We have a pre-quiz, as we always do, this week on chapters 29, 30, and 31. There's some associated PowerPoints that you can review if you'd like to study that way. There's some videos here that are also very helpful to go over, like pulmonary embolism, asthma, an approach to dyspnea. It's kind of a nice way to learn instead of just always reading. Having someone explain it to you, showing videos, somehow makes it sink in a little better sometimes. We do have a group activity this week, a case study. You'll work in your same groups that we've had for a while now. You're going to make a 10 to 15 minute long narrated presentation. And each groups are listed here, has an assigned case study this week. So some of them are on, one is on Tdap vaccine and pregnancy, one's on asthma, one is on, what is one of them on? I wrote them down. Shortness of breath, infant respiratory distress syndrome, etc. So you're going to read through them. Some of you have been assigned more than one, or one group gets Tabitha, and then group 6 also gets Tabitha. So keep in mind that one person from your group will upload it into the sharing forum, and that is right here. And then once it's been uploaded there by Thursday at 11:55, then each of you need to respond to 2 different posts of groups that did a different topic than you. So don't pick a group that's done the same topic. Pick a group that's done 2 different things. So you're exposed to a little bit more and see how they covered it, what things that they felt were important that week, or in that case study, excuse me. Then there's a Module 9 assignment. It's not as long as they've been in the past. I think there's maybe 30 questions this week. And then case study viewing, and this one usually gets questions. So you're going to view each group's presentation, whether it's the same one you've done or not, every group's presentation, and complete the viewing table, pointing out any takeaways, things that you learned, things that you felt were helpful, any new information maybe you learned, or critical questions that you took away, and submit your viewing table within the assignment. This is the viewing table. You can just download that and fill it in and just upload it. And then that's it for the week. So if you have questions as you go along, or concerns, or want to chit chat, I am having office hours this week on Friday from 8 to 9 a.m. The office hour link for the Zoom link is found in the announcement section. Every time we do office hours, it's always the same Zoom link, so you can click into any of those and still get to the same place. So I'll be available on Zoom Friday from 8 to 9 a.m. Central Time. If that time doesn't work for you and you feel like you'd like to sit down and review something with me, let me know. Give me a couple choices of dates and times, and we'll get something figured out. But otherwise, have a fantastic week. Take care.